What a beautiful, beautiful day. But time for a little bit of honesty. I don't really care for it. I really don't. Now I know I'm supposed to say I do because I did it and it looks great, and maybe it does. Hello there everybody, welcome back to another episode of Trying New Things, where it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so we're inside the barn and I wanted a project that I can work on indoors. So what I found rummaging around the barn was an old piano stool that I picked up at auction at a really good price. That's what we're going to work on today. It does have some issues, but let me show you and let's get started. So here it is, another piano bench. Now you can't argue with $5. That's a pretty good price. And for the most part, the legs and the frame are in good shape. All the real issues are with the top, other than the dust. But there's a bunch of deep gouges on the top. Here in this corner, you can see the bottom laminate is coming off, so that's got to be dressed up. Right there and right there, you can see that it's been wearing against the hinges. So I've got to dress that up. So I'm going to end up taking the whole top off. Actually, the bottom looks pretty good. But we're going to take the whole top off, see what we can do to address that laminate coming off and the gouges on the top. The good news is we're going to end up painting this thing, so it doesn't have to be a perfect finish, but we do got to get off to a good start. Here's another issue. You can see that nail, so the hinge is missing its pin, so we'll figure something out with that as well to get that fixed up a little bit better. So yeah, that's going to be our project for a rainy afternoon. We're going to take this old piano bench, we're going to tear it apart, strip it down, refinish it, see if we can sell it on Facebook Marketplace. So there, we've got the top successfully disconnected. Here you can see the issue we're having with the laminate. So I wonder if I can get under that with a scraper and just peel that off. I think it's worth a try. I'm going to get rid of that and we'll go from there. Like I said, we're going to end up painting it, so I'm not worried about having a nice wood grain finish. I'm all right with the plywood that's underneath. Let me see if I can't find something to tear that apart. So what I got here is a scraper. I'll try to use this to peel off this laminate. I may be just making it a lot worse. Well, that definitely didn't make it better. We'll have to try something else. So here we go. After running the power planer over it a little bit and the sander, we now have the bottom of our bench top completely stripped. I do have some gaps to fill in the original boards that were underneath that laminate. So I'll go ahead and get that done, and then we'll move on to the next step. So in order to make this top as structurally sound as possible, I decided to fill those gaps with wood glue. So just waiting for that to set, and I'll touch it up, sand it again, and that side will be ready for paint. Now, I know this isn't going to look like progress, but I used a little bit of Bondo fill in the biggest gaps on the tabletop. So you can see there were some big scratches, some big dings. Filled all that in. And being a piano stool, there's a flip-up bar to change the elevation of the bench seat, and I'm eliminating that. So I had to fill the recesses of where those hinges were. So I used Bondo for that as well. And now it's time to get ready to prime once we clean this up. So here it is. We've got it all primed. There's the top primed and the main bench. And I've actually put one coat of the final white on there. There's a couple rough spots I got to sand down and touch up. But it's coming along pretty good. The next thing we're going to do is paint the top. Now, even though I promised my wife and daughter I would paint the whole thing white, I'm changing my mind. I'm going to put a little bit of color on the top. Now the color I've picked to paint the top, although I said color, there's not a whole lot of color to it. It's kind of a very pale, little bit yellow, olive green color. You'll see in a second. I just happened to have this color laying around. I picked it up at, I think it was Lowe's. If you go to the paint section at Lowe's or Home Depot, they have colors that people return for cheap. So this one was $7 for this can of paint. And I said, I can use that someday. And today is that day until my wife makes me paint it over with another color. For white. I think it's a nice old-timey kind of color. Hopefully somebody else likes it as much as I do. And when I get this done, I've still got one more auction buy to try and flip. So a while back I bought a trailer load of little tables. And I've got one table left to do. So hopefully I'll get at that here in the next couple weeks. Get it out of my way. Kind of like this color. Well, I say it's time we try to put this thing back together. So in total, I did... White is a terrible color to paint anything that's dark, but I did 3 coats of primer and then 2 coats of white paint, and on the top I got away with 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. Now if you remember, I had that one hinge with a nail as a pin. Unfortunately I couldn't find one to match, but fortunately, because we took out the little board that adjusts the height or the tilt of the seat on traditional piano benches, I get to use those 2 hinges. They're different, but I'm going to use them both. But let's go ahead and get this thing back together, shall we? There. What a beautiful, beautiful day. But time for a little bit of honesty. I don't really care for it. I really don't. Now I know I'm supposed to say I do because I did it and it looks great, and maybe it does. But also I'm not a fan of white furniture. But let me show you the end result out here in a little bit of light. Hopefully somebody likes it more than I do, because I'm going to put it up for sale soon. Here it is in all its glory. White with a greenish top. You know, it is a decent job, but I'm just not sold on the color. And that color being white furniture. I know a lot of people like it. That's why my wife highly recommend I paint it that color. But for me, it's just not doing it. I'm more a stained wood kind of guy. But we're going to go ahead and get this loaded up, take some photos, and put it on Marketplace. All right, friends, it's time once again to start a new project. But before I do that, I've got to wrap up this one about the piano bench. Now, I went ahead and I posted it on Facebook Marketplace. Don't really like Facebook Marketplace, but it is a great tool if you're patient to sell something at least locally. So that's what we did. We posted it on Facebook Marketplace. I put $35 on it, and it took almost a week, but at the end of the day, there was a nice, lovely couple that turns out wasn't that far away from where we live, so in the same town, that saw the post, and they fell in love with the color. Not my favorite, but if it works for them, that works for me. And they just had to have it for their mudroom, so they came over and picked it up, paid full price, $35. Got a little bit more room in the shop. It's time to build something else. But until then, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.